With the recent surge in the use of technological resources in the classroom, the need for parameters on digital sourcing is imminent. Educators, as well as their pupils, need to be well informed of the legality that comes with the use of some digital material. Copywriting has provided some protection against the misuse of original works. A copyright is a device that allows the creator of a work control over its accessibility and use. These parameters are set to protect the creator, the creation, and the consumer. Copyright terms must be carefully followed to ensure that no party's integrity is compromised. According to the University of Maryland University College, a work must meet three requirements to be copyrighted. First, the work must be fixed and tangible. This means that the works must be transcribed in some fashion, whether on paper or online, in the form of words, audio, or video. Second, the work must be original. The material can be inspired by other ideas, but must consist of completely original wording. Finally, the material must be at least minimally creative. This goes back to the work's originality stated previously. The new material must be slightly yet distinctively different from its inspiration. In order to secure a copyright for a work, the creator must register it on the official U.S. Copyright Office page. The author must complete an online application at www.copyright.gov and then pay an associated fee and then submit their work. In order to secure this device is available for teachers and students to use, schools can set up a funding or copywriting fee coverage. While copyrights allow creators protection for the distribution and use of their product, fair use is a limitation that allows viewers some legal leeway. Under the fair use policy, the public is allowed to directly quote original works without violating the terms of the copyright for the purpose of referencing. Specifically, fair use opens up even more freedom for students and teachers to use outside sources without suffering from legal implications for violating copyright terms. In order to determine if a teacher and student are abiding by fair use policy, they should consider the reason they are sampling the work, the context of the work itself, the amount that is being quoted, and how the work will be reframed into an original thought. Understanding this policy is extremely important in the classroom and should be shared not only with educators, but with students as well. Teaching students about citing works will help to prevent legal issues when using outside resources. Providing students with references such as Purdue OWL can help students to properly credit sources and prevent the misuse of the fair use policy. Some authors wanted the opportunity to share their work with the public. They also wanted the freedom to decide how or if they would like to charge the public for their material and the extent to which viewers have the ability to use, create, and remix the original. Creative Commons provided authors with that creative control over their product. This is a much more legally sound option for educators when using material that they did not create in their classrooms. In an article by Justin Baffin, he explained how educators can avoid legal issues when using unoriginal works in school. He states that using the Creative Commons license, an author can choose to seek attribution, limit modifications, prohibit commercial uses, or demand that others similarly share any work derived from their protected material. For schools, these options provide useful ways to share their own work, but also convenient ways to avoid copyright violations in work produced by their teachers and students. It is important to remember, though, that these alternatives are only opt-in presently. It is up to the user to understand the specific license on any work before making copies. In order to help students and teachers find content that is licensed through Creative Commons, the official website offers a search engine for the public to use at http://search.creativecommons.org. Websites such as Google, YouTube, SoundCloud, and Open Clip Art Library provide content that is covered by Creative Commons licensing and is open to public use. Educating teachers and students of these licenses and resources is crucial in ensuring proper use of digital material in the classroom.